Hi, I'm Max Kanter, and I'm the co-founder and CEO of Feature Labs. Prior to starting Feature Labs, I was a student and machine learning researcher at MIT's Computer Science and Artificial Intelligence lab. I was particularly interested in how we could take the advances of machine learning in academia and bring them to industry. So, when I joined a research group, I was particularly attracted to the work that Kalyan Veramachnini was doing in making machine learning easier to use. His group was particularly interesting because he worked with a wide range of industries on a diverse set of problems. As we were going through these problems with our sponsors, we started to notice that our biggest challenge wasn't coming up with a solution for any individual problem, but rather the time that it took. We used every available tool at our disposal, starting with existing database technology and ways of storing our data, to the other end of actually using open source technology to train our machine learning algorithms. What we found was that going from the databases to machine learning algorithms was where we spent most of our time, and that was the process of feature engineering, or extracting the explanatory variables that made our machine learning algorithms work. As software engineers ourselves, we looked at the available tools and knew there was a better way. That's why we started Feature Labs, so that we could automate the process of going from raw data to machine learning models. My interest in data science, software engineering, and entrepreneurship comes from the fact that they're all very similar. They're all about finding problems and creating something new. In particular, data science is about taking the raw data that companies work with and finding new answers to the questions that we have, while something like entrepreneurship is about identifying a problem and creating a solution and bringing it to market. I think both entrepreneurship and data science are particularly interesting because of how much attention each one of them is getting these days. This really challenges and forces me to look at problems differently than everybody else and find the solutions that others are missing. Feature Labs is particularly unique because of our advanced technology for automated feature engineering. The way this works is through our deep feature synthesis algorithm, or DFS, which can automatically extract features from relational and time series data sets. The way DFS works is by taking a repository of feature engineering building blocks called primitives. These primitives are not set to any specific data set, but rather are defined in terms of the types of data they take in and the types of data they output. This allows us to take any customer's data set and immediately begin to start applying primitive functions to them. Even more, because we know what the primitive functions output, we're able to stack the primitives on top of each other, creating those complex features that human data scientists would create on their own. Even more, our customers are able to extend our primitive library with the custom primitives that are specific to their domain, allowing them to not only take advantage of our automation, but build highly accurate models.